Hi all, Dr. Cal from Mornington, Peninsula Chiropractic, and I thought I'd do a quick follow-on from that last video I did where I spoke about those two mistakes that everyone's making when we're trying to stretch our muscles. If you haven't seen that video, pop back, definitely worth a look, but I thought I'd follow on and give you my 3 best stretches for that neck, and I'd follow on through that. So also using both those techniques, we want to be holding our stretches for at least 30 seconds and we want to be anchoring. So the first stretch that I love giving is an upper trap stretch, but we always have to anchor. So placing our hand underneath our bum, placing our hand on top of our head and just leaning off to the side, not yanking, placing on top of the head, letting gravity really do the work. And we need to hold this for a minimum of 30 seconds. And for time's sake, I'm not going to keep carrying on with that, but from then we can just transition from an upper trap to pretty much a Levator Scapulae Stretch. That's basically a transition from leaning off to the side and to bringing your head slightly forward, almost like you're smelling your armpit, is the best way I like to explain to my patients. So we're placing through, and again, you'll feel that origin of insertion in that muscle slightly change, and there'll be a deeper stretch through the back as well. That's the Levator Scap one. The last one I love giving is an SCM stretch. And this is basically this big muscle that runs from the back of our head all the way down to our clavicle. And a lot of people's are quite prominent, some people's aren't, but the best stretch is pretty much placing our hands just on our sternum like this, pretty much really tractioning down, looking off to the side and leaning back. And it's hard to talk whilst I'm stretching my SCM because it's such a powerful muscle through all our throat muscles as well. So SCM, Levator Scap, upper trap, my 3 best muscles to start stretching to help with any of that neck pain. If this video has helped you, make sure you tag someone, let them know that this could help them too. But if you've tried a few of those things, there's a big chance that something else is going on. So comment your name below and let's get in touch and work out a better plan and getting you really, really well again. I'm Dr. Callum from Mornington Peninsula Chiropractic.